Hi everyone, this is Jen, and today we are not doing DIY videos. Instead, we are going to be cooking. So today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite breakfasts. It's called Chorizo breakfast taco. I accidentally made this up. I've been looking for a good breakfast recipe, and one of my favorite food is Mexican. I love chorizo. I grew up in the Philippines where we eat a lot of chorizo for breakfast. And so I created this recipe. It's actually chorizo, taco shell, eggs. You can make bell pepper. You can also use avocado, sour cream, and cilantro. So if you love savory breakfast, then this breakfast is for you. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it at home. Alright, now so that's a little bit hot, I am going to put the chorizo in. I'll put a little bit of oil in it and make it hot. So here it is, it's almost done. I want it to be darker brown, a little bit on like a dark side. And once that's done, I'm gonna put it back in a little bowl. So that looks good. Put it in a bowl. And I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. Just a tiny bit. Because now I am going to saute the red pepper. There you go. And wait till it's a little bit soft. Alright, so I'm just gonna put it in with the chorizo. And now I am going to put in the eggs. So I'm just going to separate it. And now when it's almost done, I am going to put the rest of the chorizo and the bell pepper in. Heat it all up for a little bit, and that's done. You are all done. Isn't that easy? I'm gonna take this off the heat, and it's time to heat up our tortilla. So just grab like a soft flour tortilla. And this is important, guys. You have to heat it up until it's a little bit soft. That's what makes it like really good, even better, in my opinion. So I'm just gonna heat it too. This could make 3 to 4 tacos. But I'm just gonna 2 this time. And so now we'll just have to scoop it onto the plate. So like scoop this in here. See that? Scoop this. Put a little bit. Now you can also use black beans. I've tried that one too. So, you know, if you like black beans, that's also a good option. Alright guys, so this is the final recipe. What's it look like? And then I like to put avocado and some cilantro to make it look even pretty, and sour cream. I mean, you could put sour cream first, doesn't matter in an order. It's all gonna go mixed in your mouth, right? So here it is, and I hope you like this recipe and this video, and I hope you try it at home and let me know in the comments below how you like it. Bye.